Starting around 02 July 2023, Dogecoin in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.067 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.25%. In genuinely most recent 60 minutes, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. Doge for the most part has a complete market cap of $9,406,655,808, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $317,596,808, or so they really thought. This really makes Dogecoin, Doge, sort of positioning at 8 in the digital currency market in a for the most part significant manner. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogecoin especially be worth in 2023 in a sort of large manner? Is Dogecoin a by and large wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they for the most part thought. Will Doge cost for the most part outperform its record-breaking pretty high in a genuinely significant manner? These sort of are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in a huge manner. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge value is supposed to cross a for the most part normal value level of $0.081, the normal in every way that really matters, least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to be $0.077, showing how starting around 02 July 2023 Dogecoin certainly is exchanging at $0.067 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.25%, in most recent 60 minutes, or so they most certainly thought. Besides, Doge can arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0.090, which especially is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value figure July 2023, the sort of normal cost of Dogecoin, Doge, could fundamentally go to $0.072 toward the finish of July 2023. Showing how on the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogecoin sort of be essentially worth in 2023? Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking, Doge could essentially be exchanging around a fundamentally most extreme worth of $0.074, with the fundamentally least expected cost of $0.065 in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin generally is supposed to essentially be at around a fundamentally least of $0.071, which truly is very huge. Dogecoin cost can fundamentally arrive at a by and large limit of $0.077, with the typical cost of $0.074 in United States dollars, so this truly makes Dogecoin, Doge, genuinely positioning at 8 in the digital currency market in a truly significant manner. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Dogecoin cost truly is conjecture to truly arrive at the least cost of $0.072. The Doge cost could arrive at a very greatest cost of $0.081, with the really normal expected cost around $0.075, which certainly shows that these truly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.075 and $0.084, which is very critical, while the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.078 in a genuinely significant manner. Dogecoin value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Dogecoin by and large is supposed to basically be at around an especially least of $0.076, or so they sort of thought. Dogecoin cost can basically arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.087, with the in every way that really matters, normal cost of $0.079 in United States dollars in an especially huge way. Dogecoin, Doge value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023, The cost of Dogecoin sort of is fundamentally anticipated to basically arrive at an especially normal cost of $0.081, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of $0.090 and a very least of $0.077, which especially is very huge. Dogecoin genuinely passed value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto in every practical sense has been basically diminished by 1.37% in its extremely current worth, fundamentally further appearance. How Dogecoin value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin especially is supposed to basically be at around at least $0.071 in an essentially significant manner. Assuming we certainly look at the essentially current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin by and large is confronting a truly tough time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins, showing the way that Dogecoin cost can explicitly arrive at a limit of $0.087, with the exceptionally normal cost of $0.079 in United States dollars, in an extremely significant way. The Doge generally is down to nearly 0.85% in the sort of most recent 7 days, or so they for the most part thought. The coin sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for kind of past, especially couple of days. The coin could have major areas of strength for truly at the same time. We don't especially imagine that it would a productive resource in kind of present moment, exhibiting how this in every practical sense makes Dogecoin, Doge truly positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market, or so they fundamentally thought. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge basically diminished by 29.239%, disposing of an astounding commonly normal amount of $0.028 from its certainly current worth. Fundamentally further appearance how on the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what, for the most part, is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogecoin really be worth in 2023 amazingly? This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be an excellent sort of purchase and open door for genuinely speedy venture. In every practical sense, further appearance how Dogecoin, Doge value expectation September 2023, concerning September 2023. Dogecoin cost really is gauged to for the most part arrive at a scarcely the least cost of $0.072 in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 22.21%, and the cost basically circled from a sort of least exceptionally normal cost of $0.085 to for the most part greatest essentially normal cost of $0.088 in the specific beyond 90 days in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin truly is somewhere near 6.01%, with the for the most part greatest certainly normal cost of the coin, in a real sense was around 0.07